What's happening, dogs? Mr. Allen here, and we got ourselves an awesome math problem involving a wonderful open-top drain here. So you're given a 19-foot wide piece of sheet metal to create an open-top drain that we see pictured right here. That's a cross-section of said drain, right? The drain's going to be 3 dimensions, so that water can be flowing right through. You know what I'm saying? All right. Write a function for the area of the drain in terms of the height. So we're writing a function for the cross-sectional area of the drain, but only in terms of the height. Well, this is a rectangle, right? If we were to close that off, it's open. Let that water in, right? But in other words, our cross-sectional area, that would just be area equals my 2 dimensions multiplied together. H times W, right? Cool. I'm good with that. Length times width, base times height. In this case, height times width. All right. Now, I want this equation to only have the height. So I got to do some other kind of mathematical magic here. Perhaps it would involve this 19 feet wide. All right, so my material that I'm using here is 19 feet wide, and it's going to take up my height, my width, and my other height. So I'm going to have 19 would be equal to 2 of my heights plus my width, right? Okay, well, maybe I can work with that a little bit. Well, if I were to solve this for W right here by subtracting 2h, let's take a look here. 19 minus 2h, that equals W. Could I, perhaps, take this little mess right here, the 19 minus 2h, and substitute it in for that W, since it is indeed mathematically equal to that W? Yes, you absolutely can. And now what I'm going to have is the area as a function of the height is equal to my height multiplied by my width that is now written in terms of said height. Oh my goodness. I got height times width written in terms of the height. So I have an area of the drain in terms of the height right now. Area as a function of the height. That's how that reads there, guys. That's function notation. Area as a function of the height is equal to that. If I wanted to, man, I could bust out that TI. It's tempting. It's tempting, but since it just asked for that, I'm going to leave it like that. You know what? I'm even going to circle it. That's pretty dope. That's pretty awesome. See you guys later.